Today we are on Unit 23, Day 2, again working on word choice. Our rule is use colorful adjectives and strong adverbs to get your reader's attention. We use these to make the writing more interesting and to give more description. Part A says read the article, write the missing commas in the first sentence, then write adjectives and adverbs from the box to complete the article. Let's first start with the sentence. It says, on August 16th, 1996, there was an accident at the Brookfield Zoo in Chicago. Now, remembering yesterday when we talked about dates, we know we need a comma after the date and the year. So there should be a comma after 16. But because the sentence continues, we also need a comma after the year. So you should have another comma after 1996. Okay. Before we continue, let's look at our adjectives and adverbs up in the box that we are going to choose from to fill in the blanks. We have the words gently, terrified, carefully, huge, frightened, and suddenly. Okay, so let's start our story again. An unusual gorilla. On August 16th, 1996, there was an accident at the Brookfield Zoo in Chicago. A 3-year-old boy fell blank into the gorilla exhibit. So looking at our word choices up above, I would say the best choice would be the word suddenly. So the 3-year-old boy fell suddenly into the gorilla exhibit. So write suddenly on the line. Okay, continuing on. The little boy's blank mother called for help. Now looking here and looking at the box up above, I can find 2 words that could fit in that box. Could either use terrified or frightened. So feel free to choose one of those and write them on the line. Now pause the video and do the next 2 paragraphs on your own and push play when you are ready to correct. Okay, let's correct. Paragraph 2. Before anyone else could get there, a gorilla named Bitney Jew came to the rescue. She picked up the hurt boy and could either have gently or carefully held him to her chest. A huge male gorilla came towards them. But when Bitney Jew growled, the big gorilla backed away. She carried the boy to the door that her keepers always used, and you could have either carefully or gently placed him there. The boy was saved. Okay, now part B. It says write 2 sentences telling what you think about Bitney Jew. Use colorful adjectives and adverbs. So think about words that describe her and think of strong adverbs that you would use to describe the action she used. And on the lines, you're going to write 2 sentences to describe her.